everyone, welcome to my channel, a place where you can find product review, unboxings, haul, home decor and more. So today I'm going to share with you my first ever purchase from YSL, and this is the Wallet on Change wallet. So I'm very excited. It is a pretty one and I want to share with you this unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I just gonna grab it. This is here. I got this from Nurse Room. I can tell you I got it for a very good deal. Regular price I think is $1,550 or something like that, but I definitely didn't get it for that price. I got a good deal on this one and I'm very grateful about it. So this is the box right here, and this is. So it comes with a Saint Laurent Paris little, I think it's like, oh, it's let me see, I'm gonna open right here. Come with this. I don't know what is this one. Okay, it's this Saint Laurent Paris Control. I think it's a code I did right here. And Saint Laurent Paris. I guess this is the description right here. Let me see, you guys can see this of the product. Little book. I guess this is like how to take care of the product. This is the certification of authenticity and guarantee for your Saint Laurent product against all manufacturing defect. This one right here. So, and another little book. I'm going to tell you why I decided to grab this one. This is the box right here. It's a nice bag. And we have this. I'm going to take it out. It is very pretty. The material is nice. It's kind of like what we call to it's a nice leather. I'm gonna take out this thing right here. Oh, it's easy. It's one part that it come off very easy. So here we go. Oh, this is the paper with the strap right here. Oh, wait a second. So it's this and this. This pretty. This is another narrow. It had 10 card holder right there. I have a zipper in the middle right here. Very nice. This is how it looks right here. Very, very pretty. And I'm looking. Okay, it's this one. Closer right there. You can use it like this. Which for me, I don't think it's gonna be an option because I noticed a slide very easy. Okay, no, it's good right now. Crossbody, I'm 5'7", so this is what it looks right here as a crossbody. It's like a little over my hip, but I think it's still, yeah, a little short. But I just noticed something that I haven't seen before in videos. This is moving. So it looks like you're able, this is the measurement right here of the bag. Something that I noticed, it have this, which, let me see if you can, it kind of, I have never seen this before. You can actually remove this, remove it out of here. And this is something that I was concerned about because I do not want just a chain, but in the other videos, I haven't seen nobody doing this. I watch other videos, so you can remove completely this strap. I didn't know about it, which I'm a little excited about now because I can put this over my shoulder and look like you can adjust it. Well, I probably can put it over my shoulder, but you actually can adjust it and make it a little bit longer, which this is what I did right now. It was way too short for me to put a crossbody, but now it's better. So either way, you can put the chain part inside and have this across. Let's see now. Yes, longer. Yes, I like this part on the top. So you can use it either way. Either just in change or with this strap on the top, which I think is very cool. I don't know, I have to think about it how I'm gonna leave it, but this is very nice. I don't know, the price is a little pricey, so I think it's very hard for me to spend that amount of money without any discount, nothing. I don't know, I think it's other brands out there that it have more value than this one, that you can put more money together and get it. But if this is something that you prefer, I think this is very cute and very good to go. This one. So yes, it's very pretty, very nice. It seems like a very good material. Very thin too. I don't know. So let's see. So I'm gonna put this back. Yes guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smile because you are beautiful, and give a thumbs up. Leave any comment if you like unboxings like this, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.